Hey everyone, good morning. I'm installing this new TI screen on my Grand Cherokee, and I'm supposed to take the old climate control from the old facial and put it into this one, and it's a pain in the head to do it. It took so long, but I figured out how to take it off. I will show you here. Once you take the screws around the cover, you can take that cover off, then the board is exposed. You still have to, let me zoom out, to take these clips out and wiggle your board a little bit. I need two hands to do that, but if you press on the screen at the bottom, you can wiggle this out. I took it out. 1, 2, yes, that's how we do it. There are another 4 screws here, you can see it. Okay, so you can take them out and then you can take this whole thing out. Good luck.